In this comprehensive guide from SuiteTrails, viewers will explore 7 unforgettable attractions and activities to experience in the charming coastal city of Olbia, Italy. From stunning beaches to rich historical sites, each segment promises an enriching journey through the beauty and culture of this Italian gem. Stay tuned as we unveil the secrets behind every corner of Olbia's allure.
Remember that you have the links to all the activities in the description.
We shall proceed towards the islands and secluded bays within the region, pausing briefly to engage in diving and sunbathing amidst moments of profound relaxation or culinary experience. Will commence on board, featuring an array of appetizers crafted from traditional ingredients, complemented by a glass of premium white wine. Upon arrival on the idyllic island of Tavolara, we shall partake in a delectable lunch consisting of freshly prepared seafood delicacies, meticulously prepared by local chefs in one of the finest restaurants overlooking the beach. Following this, we shall embark upon a leisurely afternoon spent swimming aboard our vessel. Your guided tour commences at 9:30 a.m. from the marina of Olbia. Over the course of the day, explore the enchanting Caribbean of Europe within a small group comprising no more than 10 participants. Following the journey through the stunning beaches of Sardinia, embark upon a captivating expedition to the Ulisse Cape. Upon return to the port, expect to arrive by 1:30 p.m. Departing from the marina of Olbia, proceed along the rugged granite promontory known as Capo Sarasso, then traverse towards Tavolara. Marvel at the myriad hues of azure water within the marine-protected area, where 4 pristine beaches offer breathtaking vistas of fine white sands, red granite cliffs, and miniature islands. Our experienced drivers are eagerly awaiting you at the designated location, equipped with a personalized sign or tablet displaying your name. Prominently, each of our chauffeurs dons a tailored outfit consisting of a crisp shirt and a well-tailored tie, ensuring a professional and refined appearance upon arrival. Upon meeting you, our courteous staff will promptly assist with loading your luggage into the vehicle for safe transportation to your destination. Our commitment extends beyond mere transportation. We offer multilingual support, including interpreters fluent in Russian, should this prove beneficial. On this exclusive cruise departing from Olbia, guests have the opportunity to explore the protected waters of the Tavolara and Molara marine reservoirs. They sail through pristine waters. Visitors are treated to stunning views and a delightful aperitif along the journey. They will marvel at the picturesque Spiaggia della Tartaruga Bay and the majestic Sarasso Cape. Upon boarding the comfortable and spacious vessel in the morning, passengers can enjoy a serene cruise, gliding over calm waters past Cape Sarasso. A stop for swimming at the Spiaggia del Dottore granite rock formation provides an unforgettable experience. Embark on a snorkeling and dolphin-watching boat tour departing from Olbia, navigating towards the picturesque islands of Figueroa and Cape Figure. Upon arrival, there's a high likelihood of encountering playful dolphins within the vicinity of the Cape. Your expert guide will elucidate on the behaviors, ecological habits, and social dynamics of these captivating marine mammals, enriching your understanding and appreciation of their natural environment. Upon reaching the designated areas, the vessel will anchor at Cala Greca, Cala Moresca, and Figueroa Island. Embark on a captivating dolphin-watching journey departing from Moy's Marina in Olbia Yachting Service, a premier 5-star port offering ample free parking adjacent to the embarkation point step, aboard a state-of-the-art inflatable vessel measuring 8.5 meters, propelled by a robust 250 horsepower Honda engine, ensuring a smooth and enjoyable voyage. Your crew will provide a luxurious experience tailored for groups up to 10 individuals, guaranteeing an intimate and memorable encounter with nature's wonders. Immerse yourself in the enchanting waters of Sardinia, close to Figueroa Island, where the Emerald Sea offers breathtaking views. Embark on a captivating journey through time as we explore the rich history of Olbia via a meticulously crafted tuk-tuk tour. Route spans approximately 15 kilometers, traversing the winding alleys of the historic heart of the city. Upon reaching the Basilica of San Simplicio, situated atop the most prominent thoroughfare, guests will have the opportunity to admire breathtaking views of the urban landscape. Subsequently, our exploration continues at Fausto Noce Park, where visitors can marvel at the ancient Roman aqueduct and the impressive Roman cistern.
Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this.